Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and today I have brought you a new video on how to paint like daisy flowers with acrylic colors on canvas. So today I will be showing you how to paint these flowers on canvas using acrylic colors. So for this painting I have used a 6x6 canvas and I have used my camel acrylic colors. These are my camel acrylic colors. These are 9 ml tubes, but you can also use Fevicryl brand acrylic colors also. Any beginner acrylic colors is fine. But these are the ones that I use and I have used in the process video also. You will see that. If you are willing to learn how to paint daisy flowers or normal flowers on canvas using acrylic colors, then this video is for you. So in this process video, I will be showing you how to paint these flowers using acrylic colors on canvas. To paint these flowers, you can follow the process video that I am about to share and you can try these for yourselves. Also, if you like this painting and wish to recreate it by following my process video, I would like to see your recreations. You can share with me on Instagram by tagging art appeals on your pictures, or you can directly DM me on Instagram. So I will be happy to see your recreations, and if you have any queries related to the process, you can definitely ask me on Instagram or in the comment section as well. So now I will be sharing with you the process video of painting these pretty flowers using acrylic colors on canvas. So let's begin. Color that I'm using is sap green and a little bit of black. I'm using these colors as I intend on making a darker background. Now spread these colors while making sure you merge both the colors together. You can see that the background is neither complete black nor complete sap green. It is a bit of a darker shade. Once the background has dried up, use white color and lemon yellow to add daisy flowers. Once you have added the main flowers, add a few tiny ones too. Now I am using sap green to add the stem. For leaves, I have added a tip of white to sap green to create a few lighter shades of sap green. The more white you add, more lighter shades you will get. Use those shades to create leaves. And that's it, we are done. So that's it for today's video. I really hope that you would have enjoyed this video and liked the process. So if you enjoyed my process and found it useful in any way, you can subscribe to my channel and stay connected for upcoming videos. So that's it. I will see you in the next video. Bye.